Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by meeting the essentials. Attune lightning spear, equip a suitable chime or talisman, and confirm faith meets scaling thresholds. Once done, position yourself in an open training area to avoid interruptions. Make sure to set up hotkeys or quick select to swap between melee and casting quickly. This reduces clutch time during fights. You'll want about 10-12 attunement slots available and faith around 30 to see reliable damage, so adjust equipment and rings before moving on. You now refine how you cast. Tap for quick spears, hold for the heavier, more damaging variant. The charge timing matters. Once you practice the rhythm, use a backstep or roll immediately after casting to cancel recovery frames and reposition. This keeps you safe. Also, chain with other magic. Cast a distraction spell to make opponents commit, then follow with lightning spear while they are vulnerable. Make sure to monitor FP and swap to a melee weapon when out of focus points to maintain pressure. Finish by optimizing sustain and adapting when things go wrong. Keep Ashen Estus on hand and bait enemy attacks with a shield to create region windows. If your spears miss, stop reacting and instead lead the target's movement. Aim where they will be, not where they are. Once you're consistent, tweak rings and gear for elemental boost. If damage feels low, check faith scaling and weapon infusion. One troubleshooting tip: if cast speed feels slow, lower equipment load and prioritize casting speed rings to tighten animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.